Welcome back, Trivia Champions. It's Cooking and Cuisine Thursday. Is there a ghost in the machine today? Only one way to find out. Which region of China is most famous for its spicy and numbing mala flavor profile? That's right, Sichuan. Which spice, derived from the dried stigma of a flower, is the most expensive spice in the world and is used sparingly in dishes like biryani and kheer? Nailed it, saffron! What technique, popularized by molecular gastronomy, uses sodium alginate and calcium chloride to create spheres of liquid with a thin membrane? Boom, correct. Spherification. What is the primary ingredient that gives red velvet cake its distinct color? That's right, red food coloring. The garbage plate is a signature dish from which city in New York State? Boom! Correct, Rochester. Which method of smoking uses a water pan to maintain a humid environment and lower cooking temperature? Nailed it, indirect smoking. What is the name of the spicy Korean street food made from chewy rice cakes in a gochujang-based sauce? Correct, tteokbokki. What coffee chain introduced the pumpkin spice latte, PSL, a cultural phenomenon in 2003? Nailed it, Starbucks. Which chef is the author of the cookbook Mastering the Art of French Cooking? Nailed it, Julia Child. Which gas is commonly used in modified atmosphere packaging, EMAP, to extend the shelf life of fresh produce? Correct, carbon dioxide. Think you spotted a ghost fact? Tell us which one. Tomorrow, famous landmarks.